Number 13, diagram show the speed time graph. Okay, for the part of car journey. Okay, calculate the distance travel. Okay, from the speed time graph, the distance basically is the area under the graph. Okay, you'll be here. Calculate this. If you can remember the trapezium, then it will be easier. But if you cannot, then you just split into two. A and B is split here. So A is equal to 8 times 10. That equal to 80. And B is equal to half times this is 2. So it's 2 times the height is 10. That will give you 10. So you plus, so A plus B, that will give you 80 plus 10 equal to 90. So the distance is equal to 90. Otherwise, if you want to use the trapezium formula, it will be this. If your trapezium, okay, these two is parallel with A and B if you have the perpendicular height. So the area is equal to half A plus B, you time the height. Okay, so in this case, it's half. This will be 10, this will be 8, this will be 10, this will be 10. So it's 8 plus 10, you time 10. Calculate, you should get 90 as well. Okay, it's all either one. I hope this discussion, along with the revision tips and answering strategies, will help you in your exam preparation. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more educational content. Best of luck with your studies, and I will see you again in next video.